Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Garageband a little bit easier to use. In case you didn't know, I'm not very good at music, but there's a few little tricks that you can do in Garageband to make it much easier to use. By default, the keyboard instrument doesn't have any notes on the keys, and you can actually add these by just changing some settings. Go to your iPad settings and find the Garageband tab. Then all you have to do is scroll down to keyboard note labels and you just turn this switch on. The next time when you go back into Garageband and go on a keyboard or a piano, you'll see all the notes there for you, which makes it much easier to play these instruments. Something else you can do is change your settings so that you can see how long you've been playing for rather than seeing it in bars. Here's a song that I've recorded, and I'm going to click the settings gear, and I'm just going to change the setting that says time ruler to on. Now you can see how long your song is rather than seeing it in bars, which I find much easier for teaching in the classroom. Don't forget to check out these great educators on Twitter for more tips and tricks on using the iPad.